Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to receive money with Apple Pay Cash. Alright, if you've been wondering how to receive money with Apple Pay Cash, this video is going to help you out with that. It's going to be a really quick one. Just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do, you can receive a notification when somebody sends you money with Apple Pay. And you're gonna accept the payment in the Messenger's app, and next you're gonna transfer the funds to your bank account or your debit card. So yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You're gonna receive a payment notification, and then once you accept the payment notification in the Messenger app, the funds are gonna be transferred to your bank account or your debit card. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to receive money with Apple Pay Cash. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.